Welcome to this technical guide on the PS5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your PS5 is on but the television shows nothing, you may be experiencing an issue with the HDMI connector. This can occur due to wear and tear or accidental damage over time. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to further complications, preventing you from enjoying your gaming experience. To undertake this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, some tweezers, and a replacement HDMI connector specific for the PS5. Begin by ensuring your PS5 is completely powered off and unplugged. Lay it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back and sides of the console. Take care when lifting the casing, the spudger can help gently pry it open without damaging the plastic clips. Once the casing is removed, locate the HDMI connector on the motherboard. It's typically near the back of the console and connected by several small screws. Carefully remove these screws and note their locations, as they might differ in size. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the HDMI connector from its cable. Use your tweezers if needed to assist with this delicate task. Now, take your new HDMI connector and align it with the mounting points. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Ensure that the connection is firm, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the board. Once secured, reconnect the HDMI cable to the new connector, ensuring it clicks into place. Before reassembling the console, double-check all connections and screws to make sure everything is secure and properly fitted. Now, replace the casing by gently pressing it back into position, ensuring all clips are aligned, and reinsert the screws. Finally, plug your PS5 back in, power it on, and check your television for a display. If you see the home screen, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the HDMI connector. To prevent this issue from occurring again, avoid pulling on the HDMI cable when connecting or disconnecting your console. Regularly check the connection for any signs of wear and tear, and consider using a surge protector to shield your devices from electrical spikes. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.